Here I have a one-day musical after the hunt cuckoo clock that I got here a while back from Schonenbach's Boneyard collection. I had a different video of me taking this all apart. I was loading the video. There was issues with the video, so you're not going to see me taking this all apart. You're going to see the after effects. But this movement is what was in it. This movement is an AMS movement, and video will explain AMS, what it stands for, in the description. But I got the movement all cleaned up. The music box, because it's sitting around for a while, the governor on the music box is messed up, so I'm going to have to put a different music box in it or find a different governor for it. But I'm pretty satisfied so far with the way the clock is turning out, and you'll see in the other videos what I've had to do to it. Please hit the subscribe button. God bless.